Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajan, interventional cardiologist, and today we are celebrating the World Heart Day. For the assessment of overall heart health, we will go for the regular clinical checkup like history, and then we can go for the regular BP checking, pulse checking, ECG, and if required we can go for the 2D echo and treadmill test. The risk factor for the cardiovascular diseases they are classified basically into two groups: modifiable risk factor and non-modifiable risk factor. Modifiable risk factor means we can modify and we can prevent the cardiovascular disease. The modifiable risk factors are like overweight, obesity, food habit, and non-modifiable risk factor like genetic risk factor, or if the patient is having any history of any family history of any hypertension, diabetes. So these are the non-modifiable risk factor. So if we can control both the factor, we can reduce the overall cardiovascular mortality. Thank you. Nowadays we are recommending the regular cardiovascular screening. This cardiovascular screening now we are recommending after the age of 18 or 20 years. Previously, the cardiovascular disease they are more common in the old age group after the age of 50 years, after the age of 60 years. But nowadays we are seeing this cardiovascular disease they are occurring even into the young patient or at the age of 18 years, 20 years. So we can record all the cardiovascular screening. Screening means we can go for the history of the patient, any family history of the cardiovascular disease. We can go for the checking of the pulse, BP, ECG, 2D echo, and we can also go for the treadmill test. And if the patient requires, we can go for the coronary angiogram. So these are the screening tests we recommended for the patient. Nowadays we have seen the patient, young patient, even I have seen the patient age of 18 years, he developed the heart attack and he was died because he was referred from the outside in the peripheries. So in the young age group like 18 years, 20 years, the most common risk factor are either maybe genetic, because in previous in 18, 19, 20s, the most common this cardiovascular death are occur after the age of 60 years, 60 years due to the cardiovascular disease. But nowadays we have seen this cardiovascular disease even it is occur in the young age patient. So what are the causes? The causes of this young age heart disease are most commonly it may be genetic. Genetic means either the patient is having any genetic abnormality or any chromosomal abnormality that is responsible for this cardiovascular death. So we can go for the genetic screening and we can also go for the genetic counseling. So if the patient is having any genetic history of this cardiovascular disease or any history of any genetic counseling, we can prevent the cardiovascular death and we can advise the appropriate treatment. The benchmark for this World Heart Day is we will advise regular follow-up, number one. Number two, we can advise go for the regular checkup to the doctors, go for the regular pulse, BP, ECG monitoring, 2D echo monitoring. If required, we can go for the regular treadmill test and angiogram. And other is go for the regular aerobic exercise, avoid the highly saturated food and avoid all this junk food, and go for the vegetarian diet, take more high fiber diet, and take regular sleep. Sleep is another important risk factor. We require at least 8 hours sound sleep to prevent the cardiovascular disease. And if the patient is having hypertension, diabetes, or if the patient is having any thyroid problem, so go for the regular follow-up, take the proper medication for the hypertension, diabetes, thyroid, or any other cardiac problem or any other hyperhomocysteinuria. So go for the regular follow-up.